that you can get paid simply by being on the internet? Check this out on my phone. Or how about getting paid to enjoy some nice music? And I'm just getting started here. Hey, let's check in with my partner, Jono. He's actually on the other side of the globe right now in Bali, getting paid to exist. Here, let me switch my camera so we can connect with him.
Hey Tom, just getting some Starbucks here. Now, check this out.
That's pretty cool, but check this out. I just discovered this. Wait for it. Boom, baby.
Whoa, that's a new one. So you get paid for just passing that store?
Well, not just that one, my friend. Check it out. I got a Walmart coming up here. Hang on. I'm holding the phone here. Let's see if I can switch the mode. And wait for it. Boom.
That is...
I know, right? So this is for real, guys. Yes, you can get paid for doing things like simply having an internet connection, buying coffee and gas and groceries, and driving or even walking by stores. Ding, 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 money in your bank account. Now imagine that you had 28 different ways just like that to make quick money when you need it, all laid out for you step by step that anyone can do with no budget and no experience.
Add to your name was a shirt on your back and a connection to the internet at your local library, this can bring you money fast. We're talking about the emergency income kit that we personally always have as a backup plan.
Yeah, we sure do. And for the record, we both are far from needing emergency money. We've been in this game for a long time, but in this world, you never know what's going to happen. It's an unpredictable place we all live in, right? So we always have this kit handy, like one of those break-in case of emergency fire extinguisher, except there's money behind the glass. So in the emergency income kit, guys, we have 28 out of the ordinary proven methods with one single-minded purpose: to generate money possible for the person using them without any experience, connections, or budget. Some of these methods can even generate money the very, very same day.
Yeah, these methods are designed to start putting cash in your pocket ASAP. Not weeks or days from now, but right away. You'll get 28 unique, fun, battle-tested, instant income methods with step-by-step directions for each one. You don't need a budget, experience, connections, or anything else. Simply crack open the emergency income kit, follow our newbie-friendly directions, and watch as money comes out the other end, whether you like it or not.
I think they're gonna like it, Jono.
Yeah.
But you know what? Why don't we show them a list of at least a part? I don't know. What do you think? Should we show them a partial list of what it contains?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay.
Good idea.
Get paid to simply be on the internet. All you gotta do is be on the internet. Get paid for sharing your location while driving. Get money back for every single thing you buy in your life. Get paid to enjoy music. Get paid to test video games from home. Get paid to become a secret online shopper. Get paid to upload funny stuff to the internet, and get paid to share your opinions. Now there's 20 more easy, fun methods like that in the emergency income kit, all with step-by-step directions and all with no experience or budget needed. What's really important is that you will not be doing the one thing that introduces risk of not making money, which is building your business. This is where this method is so different, guys. With the emergency income kit, there is literally zero business building, which means there is zero risk of failure. All you do, follow our proven methods and you get paid. No complications, no unknown factors, no learning curve. End of story.
But not for long. Since some of these methods are prone to saturation, the emergency income kit won't be available forever. We're watching things very closely, and once it gets to a point where we feel that members aren't making as much money as they should, then we'll close it down for further sales of the emergency income kit.
And we're very serious about that because, like I said, we have used this and we have this as a backup. And if we give this to tens of thousands of members, it goes without saying, a lot of these things will die down. So what if something happens in the world where we need this and we want to make sure that doesn't happen? In other words, guys, if you want in on this to start earning today from this crazy profitable emergency income kit, don't wait another second, okay? Get in before it closes down. There is a button below this video. Click it to secure your emergency income membership before we close this baby down for good. Your bank account will definitely thank you for it.
Yeah, absolutely will, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you inside of our members area.
Yeah, thanks, guys. And yeah, we hope to see you inside.